All right, here we are at our 2018 Tahoe LTZ2485CR rental fleet pontoon number 2 for sale here on Norris Lake. This has been on Norris Lake since it was new, and it's been in a rental program. It's being retired from the rental fleet this season. And of course, you can find out more information, including the current asking price, over at our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. You'll see the orange lettering there. That tells you you're in the right place. Click the Find Your New Boat button. That's going to show you everything in inventory and order price. Just scroll down until you get to the 2018 Tahoe LTZ2485CR rental fleet. Again, this is unit number 2. You'll see the current asking price right there. You'll be able to click into the listing for more details. And of course, contact us through there. We don't monitor the YouTube comment page. This boat is rated for 11. This one currently has 781 hours on that Suzuki 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. We've got an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo with 4 speakers on board, 12-volt power outlet mounted just there below your helm. You've also got a cup holder mounted right below your driver's seat. Working horn on this one. Everything passed function testing, including all 4 speakers, navigation lights, and your horn. Gauges all appear to be working as well. Fuel gauge, battery voltmeter, an engine alarm gauge, tachometer with built-in digital hour meter, and engine trim gauge. Holster appears to be in good condition on this one as well. You got a pair of cup holders up here, the one at the driver's seat, and 2 more in the back. Total of 5 cup holders. You basically got the plastic sided and some aluminum framed seat bases. There's no wood in there anywhere. Bimini top. Removable lounge table would mount right there. And actually, I take that back. This courtesy light under the Bimini top, that one did not light up on our function test. Everything else appeared to be functional. Trailer's not included with these, but we can get you a new trailer at our cost, or we can just arrange to have the boat delivered to you. Ski tow bar, of course, the low maintenance vinyl flooring, and we're sitting on top of 25-inch diameter pontoons. There's a 24-gallon fuel capacity. And this would be a storage compartment, or if you wanted a pop-up changing room, this is where you would want to mount it. So this is pop-up changing room compatible. 4-step swim boarding ladder here, and again, the ski tow bar I've already mentioned. This one has the Bay Star outboard powered steering. Again, 115 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke outboard. 781 hours on this one. Contact us through the website to schedule a viewing, or to submit an offer, or to ask any questions. A little bit of a ding back here on this corner of the aluminum fencing. A few little scratches here and there, as well as on this splash guard of that aluminum pontoon, and then this door has a few dents in it. And that's going to start to wrap things up for this unit number 2, this particular rental fleet. Right about now, you'll see the yournewboat.com logo pop up in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, be notified of any new listings as they come available, I would invite you to click that link. Often it's pontoons, sometimes it's tri-toons, cruisers, floating cabins, houseboats, and more for sale here in the Norris Lake area. And thank you again for joining us.